Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go, and it's cold outside today, guys. 30 degrees out there. Cloudy. Nobody likes it when it's this cold. We've got Pudgy. Was Pudgy first in the chat? Pudgy coming in saying Chris? I don't even know what's going on right now. Pudgy, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Pudgy, Pudgy, Pudgy. We got Dark Bro, Pudgy, Dark Bro. Thank you very much for the super chat, Dark Bro. Pudgy saying, say my name, say my name. When no one is around you, say Pudgy, I love you if you ain't running game. And Dark Bro coming in hot with the Pudgy. First in the chat. What's going on, Dark Bro? Thank you very much for the super chat. Pudgy, thanks very much for being first in the chat. Kombu, Pudgy, Dark Bro, Kombu, Notos, Pudgy, Pudgy, Dark Bro, Pudgy, Kai, Dark Bro, Frank, Kai, Dark Bro, Kombu, Geoped, Dark Bro, Kombu, Frank, Kombu, Pudgy, Kai, Kombu, Kai, next level Moji, Kombu, Moji, next level Dark Bro, next level Dark Bro, Kombu, Moji, Dark Bro, Moji, Ray, Kombu, Dark Bro, Kombu, Moji, Kombu, Dark Bro, Frank, Peter, Dark Bro, Moji, Kombu, Kenneth, Dark Bro, Peter, Kombu, Kenneth, Dark Bro, Frank, DD214, Frank, Dark Bro, DD214, Pudgy, Old Rounder, and Pudgy. What is going on, everybody? Thank you very much for being in here right now. And yeah, Frank's got it cold today. Frank throwing a little picture in the super chat right there, or in the super chat. No, Frank throwing a little picture in the Discord is what it's called. 11 degrees. Feels like -5. Holy crap, man. That is way too cold. Let's check the market out and see what's going on so far today. We've got AMC. That's not AMC today. What is going on, man? Refresh this chart right here. Come on, Weeble. Stay on your game. We got AMC sitting at $6.84 today. My goodness, $6.67. That is not an all-time low, but it is very, very close to an all-time low. AMC down 0.87% on the day today. Shiba Inu coin, 821 points per coin, bouncing off 810 points per coin. GameStop sitting at 12.05, down 1.27% on the day today. Bitcoin bouncing around. Bitcoin back down below 37, back up above 37, back down below 37. Bitcoin sitting here at 37,091 at the moment. The Nasdaq sitting at 14,277 points. AMC 684. GameStop sitting at 12.03. Dogecoin 7.8 cents. Ethereum sitting at $2,021. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 822. Bitcoin 37,000. Bitcoin's throwing some greens right now, guys. 37,109. The SPY sitting at 455. QQQ sitting at 390. Bouncing around, not doing too much today, but I got a nice little descending trend line that you've been following all morning long here. Gonna have to see if this trend line continues on for the QQQ or if it ends up curling back over and coming to the downside. Mullen Auto is sitting at 18 cents. Sundial $1.45. Netflix $479 per share. Almost said degrees because I was thinking about that thing Frank sent. Highcraft Mining sitting at 214, MPW 475, Tesla 235, Amazon sitting at $148, Apple $190, and let the gains begin, ladies and gentlemen. We have not seen weakness in the stock market in quite some time, man. It's been like 3-4 solid weeks of gains in terms of stocks rising right now. So hopefully it continues on, especially if you are invested, and if not, man, it might be time. We're going to watch Bitcoin play out on the bottom left-hand side of the screen, though. You ignored all of them. I ignored none of them, man. Stream didn't actually start. Had to exit and reopen. Oh my god, dude. I didn't ignore nothing. It actually started, I promise you. DWAC about to squeeze like HKD did. Rodrigo, man. Let's check out DWAC. We haven't looked at DWAC in a while. Let's just talk about Old Rounder. Terra Luna Classic is looking good. Testing resistance today. It's 12,500 points per coin after ripping through resistance yesterday. It's 10,000 points per coin, currently bouncing off of that support level at 10,000 points per coin. Dude, if it maintains these gains, Terra Luna Classic could be ripping higher very, very soon because these, the volume that you've been seeing. Look at the volume on the left-hand side of the screen. $650 million, almost said thousand, $650 million over the last 24 hours in Terra Luna Classic there. It is looking beautiful. But let's check out for Rodrigo real quick. Let's see what DWAC is doing today. He says it's gonna rip. Let's take it for a little trip. All right, DWAC sitting 1940 right now, up 6.5% on the day today. Doing very nice to bounce off this support level. I don't know when we put this level on the screen here, but it has held up nicely as support throughout the last couple of months, going all the way back to July. And then resistance, guys, resistance in this area right in here. We might be breaking through this level today, which is awesome to see, but it could get held up at that $20 mark. So if you're a little bit more conservative, you want to take some profits, absolutely. If you want to wait, be a little bit more aggressive, see if it bounces off this area in here, or if it does end up breaking through. If DWAC ends up breaking through, man, it could lead to some huge gains. You're going to have a little resistance in this area where it wicked up to in July, in the $25 area. Beyond that, $30. Beyond that, you got these wicks down here at about 35, but I'd say the next resistance is almost 40 to 45. Beyond that, guys, 50. So you do have a lot of levels of resistance in the way because it did step its way down so slowly here. But, dude, if DWAC begins to gain again, could you imagine just ripping up back into the hundreds of dollars per share level? When this SPAC went public back here, it immediately ripped from $10 a share in one day, jumped to 50, and then the very next day, wicked up to $175. You are talking, I mean, you don't even see cryptocurrencies go from $10 to $175 in a single 24-hour period. So, insane to see what DWAC was capable of, but I'm telling you right now, man, it could absolutely be capable of it again if it begins to break through these resistance levels. We know that people are very, very committed, and they're willing to buy when they want to support something. Roulette Wheel still can't get into Terra Luna Classic, but that is all right, man. Lunk haters, Michael Allen, man. Lunk is looking good right now. Very hard to hate on Lunk at the moment. Recruited another bro at Home Depot. Boom! Maybe that's what I'm talking about, Dark Bro. That's what I like to hear, man. My math might be off, but I'm calculating Binance Lunk burns to be around 3.3 billion Lunk for the last 24 hours. Oh my gosh. Old rounder, that is going to be amazing if that's the case. I actually did not look at the amount of volume on Binance. These numbers here, yes, they could absolutely be leading to massive burns. You know, $700 billion. $300 billion on Binance with USDT, $41 billion against BUSD. So yeah, man, you're talking $350 billion just in the last 24 hours on Binance there. The thing is that we don't have access to. I mean, yeah, we can estimate based on these numbers right here, but Binance, depending on who's trading, right? Depending on what tier they are, depending on how much Binance they own, and so on. Their trading fees differ. So we unfortunately don't know who's making the trades on Binance, whether or not they're going to be hit with the full trading fee or whether or not they're going to have a discounted trading fee based on how much BNB they own and things like that. So, yeah, dude, just know that they are estimates, but I would love it if Binance comes in burning billions of Terra Luna Classic per day. Oh my gosh, dude. That would literally be amazing. It really would. And it would be even cooler if they came out and, you know, the day they go to burn, Terra Luna Classic drops down heavily and they burn 2-3 times as much, and then it jumps right back up. It was just a little wick down when they go to burn it, and they end up burning 2 or 3 times as much Terra Luna Classic. Oh my gosh, that would be awesome. So, yeah, Binance, $350 billion, or million dollars, sorry, not billion. 350 million, not billion. It was almost 1 billion total traded. 350 million. You got me messed up with your 3.3 billion there. $350 million worth traded on Binance over the last 24 hours. So we are definitely looking at some major burns there, old rounder. Anyone see Artificial Liquid Intelligence is running a bit? I have not. He'll be joining us soon. Very nice. Dark Bro. We'll give him a shout out when he gets in here, man. What's going on with Terra Luna Classic? Most likely, just as far as I know, it's simple technical moves, right? I don't think that any proposals on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain are causing the rise. I don't think anybody has insider information, that centralized exchanges are going to be on board with repegging USTC. I don't think it has anything to do with like some secret info or intel that nobody knows about. I think yesterday we started to run. Terra Luna Classic ripped through its first level of resistance and tested that 10,000 point per coin mark. Beating through that today, immediately testing the next level of resistance at 12,000 points per coin. It's like 12,500 is where my resistance is. Getting rejected off that right now and coming back down to test 10,000 again, but still maintaining this 10,000 level. So now it's a channel between 10 and 12. And of course, if we break 12, we could I don't want to say easily, right? But the next level of resistance, we might have a little hiccup in this area here. But next major level of resistance is going to be about 16 to 18,000 points per coin, which is going to be massive. So I am excited about the technical aspect of Terra Luna Classic. Pika's internet husband got wrecked in fantasy football. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, man. Dark Bro! Thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro says, 2 days till Honorarium's release. Time to fly, boys. Time to fly. Dark Bro, is it going on PancakeSwap? Is that the liquidity pool we're going to be using to check out Honorarium and see what happens there, man? I'm excited about... Do we have... let's see. Oh, you know what I could do? I could just take this contract address. Yeah, copy it. I could paste that contract address over here in Dex Tools. Yeah, boom. Paste that. All right, what do we got here? It might not show up if there is no liquidity pool. Yeah, no pairs found. So I actually can't even see it on Dex Tools yet. Oh well. Oh well. We'll be able to pull this stuff up as soon as it gets trading out there. And we're going to watch the gains begin. Resistance is solid fundamentals. Well, yeah, dude. I just view resistance, like support and resistance levels, as technicals as opposed to fundamentals. Fundamentals to me are things more like news. If a cryptocurrency is actually building or doing something, the different proposals that they got out there, but anything that's like just price or trader specific, I consider that technicals. But you're right, dude. It does make sense, and you gotta follow that stuff. Anybody excited about Honorarium's release? If you're not even excited about buying it, you guys should be excited about watching it because it could turn into something awesome. Is Binance US still safe to use after what happened to CZ? Always seems like the exchange I use most gets hit somehow. Well, so Kai, I would say yes, it is still safe to use. What we saw were settlements, okay? We saw settlements between Binance International, and we saw settlements between CZ in the Department of Justice there. When it comes to Binance US, the reason that they're in so much trouble the reason that Binance is in so much trouble and Binance US is in trouble there is because they were claiming to be two completely separate businesses, but it's kind of hard to be two completely separate businesses when you got like the same guy running them both, and they claim that they're intermingling funds and so on and things like that. So yes, I think it is still safe at this point. What you really have to watch out for, and Binance has done an amazing job of getting through the last couple of days, but these bank runs. If people go out and withdraw, what the problem you ran into with FTX and Celsius and Voyager and things like that were that these idiot institutions didn't even have the money. Where were people's crypto? They didn't have the money to allow these people to withdraw their deposits. So, same thing is stated for Binance, right? Over the last week or so, over $1 billion has been withdrawn off of the Binance platform, and over $1 billion has been successfully withdrawn off the Binance platform. So, Binance has been able to handle it. Binance has the money available for people to withdraw their deposits. That's where the issue arose in times past. Voyager did not have the money available. Celsius did not have the money available. FTX did not have the money available. But Binance has had the money available. So the issue of like default and bankruptcy and bank runs is what you should really be concerned about. Binance has been fine so far. Doesn't mean that they're going to be fine in the future, right? I mean, anything can happen. I'm not sitting here endorsing Binance or anything that they're never going to have any problems. But if you're looking at like actual bankruptcy issues, I don't know what their financial statements look like. So I don't know if all of this money being withdrawn off of Binance is going to lead them to miss their short-term debt payments. If they can't pay their debtors, yeah, then they could file bankruptcy or something. But as far as just like fraud or whatever, I'm not terribly concerned about the fraud right now because they've handled over $1 billion in withdrawals just in the last like week. I still use it, but I don't hold it on there. Yes, sir. Pancake swap. Pancake swap. More like Mike's hidden wallet. Nice. Michael Allen. Dude, can you imagine Michael Allen becomes the honorarium whale and Dark Bro and Michael Allen both become multi-millionaires off of honorarium? Dude, you know, look, I'm Dark Bro. I'm not going to say that your coin, your very first token is guaranteed to take off or anything like that, but surprising things happen all the time, man. Surprising things happen all the time. I absolutely hope that it is a wild success in the sense that, your coin ends up going to a $12 million market cap or just something ludicrous. But if it doesn't, it doesn't mean it's not a success. Dude, if you learn what worked and what didn't work, if you learn what people like and what people don't like, if you learn how to make the next one better, or if you learn how to improve honorarium, it is an absolute success. So you got to view it that way, man. You got to view it that way. What you're going through right now is going to be an awesome learning experience, and it's going to make you better because of it. Got my Clay Bro sweatshirt coming today, bros. Brian, man, very nice. Brian, don't forget, dude. Don't forget to leave a review. I'm telling you guys right now. I have no idea. Like, I really don't know how to communicate this any better. But, if you want a bro shirt, if you want a bro hoodie, a bro zip-up, tank top, pillow, whatever, go grab one. Don't wait until after December. I have a box of hoodies. Now, some of those hoodies I'm going to give to family members, right? But I got 22 hoodies there, and some of them will be going to family for Christmas. You're not getting all 22. But there are not 22 reviews on things that you guys have purchased on Amazon. It's like a guaranteed hoodie at this point. Like, I don't know how, like, I could just grab you and shake you, but don't seem to want to do it. Dude, tell your girlfriend, tell your wife you want a bro hoodie for Christmas. Tell her, I don't know, you want a bro t-shirt or a bro tank top to sleep in or whatever, man. Tell her you want a bro thing for Christmas. She grabs it. Just say, leave a review on it. She's like guaranteed to win at this point. Whatever. I don't know if you guys all want one or not, man, but I'm telling you, that like tan-colored bro hoodie I got is freaking phenomenal quality. Let's see. Tell Walmart you are a creator of honorarium, and they'll give you a full line of you could tell them that, Kombu. I don't know if they'll believe him or if they'll be willing to give him a line of credit, but make it happen, man. Suzuki get his hoodies. So, Gary, no. As far as that, well, look, I can't say it, but I don't know. It doesn't show me who bought what, but because I know that Suzuki said he bought 2 of those red hoodies, I can see that those were refunded. And I don't know if he went in there and bought any more hoodies or not. But no, they said that they lost his shipment and they were just going to refund him. So I don't know if he went in and bought some more or not. But I know that his 2 were refunded. I could see that. Walmart no longer accepting fees due to unacceptably high transaction fees. Article, but from 2020. Well, I don't know, man. Walmart seems to accept my card every time I go there. Let's see. Shitoshi banned me yesterday after asking why we are getting blocked by the dev team for truths like his own words. Everything will burn. He didn't like that at all. Same with Lucy got blocked again. Chris, isn't it utter insanity, man? Look, dude, you've got a very, very low chance of getting blocked in here. I mean, you've got no chance of getting blocked in here for asking a question. But, like, if you're being stupid and I don't know, harassing somebody in here and you guys can, like, troll me all you want. Don't troll other people in the chat. They don't have the same opportunity to defend themselves or whatever. And they're not the ones putting themselves on the internet. I'm the one putting myself on the internet. So troll me if you'd like. So, dude, I could see, like, getting blocked for some reasons, but never for somebody asking a question, even if it's, like, a dumb question that you are obviously trolling. Or especially a really hard question, man. The really hard questions are the good questions, right? They're the good questions. So yeah, dude, they like to shut conversation down, man. That's obvious. I have an idea. So I did a poll out on Twitter. It ended yesterday. I think I started it the day before. Dude, there is so much opportunity with Amazon and Amazon affiliates. And you guys know that I've got the Amazon merch on demand, right? And I am an Amazon affiliate now. So there's so much opportunity for essentially free burns in both Shiba Inu coin, Terra Luna Classic, whatever. There's so much opportunity to leverage burns without you guys spending any additional money. And like I always talk about, being able to leverage other opportunities. So I don't know when I kind of want to announce it or throw it out there, but especially during this holiday season, I want to try and leverage my Amazon affiliate in order to burn hopefully huge amounts of Shiba Inu coin, maybe if Terra Luna Classic continues to perform well, maybe getting them involved too, and just doing it percentage based on the amount of people that would vote or whatever. But I got a pretty decent idea for holiday shopping, all of that stuff, to leverage Amazon, not bring in any additional spends for you guys, for me, for anybody, and essentially having Amazon burn Shib or burn Terra Luna Classic, whatever people decide to burn. That's what it's about, man. That's what it's about. Because I don't want you to burn your own money. I don't want to burn my own money either. I don't care if Amazon burns their money, right? Let's let them burn, and we all win in that situation. So I want to announce that in the next couple of days here and take advantage of the holiday season in hopefully an awesome way. One yard rodent hoodie. Those are the real questions. Michael, I could make a yard rodent hoodie right now and get that bad boy uploaded. So if people would really want some sort of like a Chip Bro logo, like a bro with a Chip Bro on it, I can make that happen. It is incredible to have an Amazon merch account. I actually uploaded some Shiba Inu coin designs as well that I am considering starting to promote, and then using that to just burn, allowing Amazon to do all of the work and burning from there. So those were successfully uploaded yesterday. I'm telling you guys right now, I can make a Chip Bro hoodie today and get that bad boy out there. What? Claybro has Amazon merch on demand? I don't believe it. Dark Bro, me neither, man. It's crazy. If you actually come out and you look at Amazon here, you can see that bro merch exists. What? Who would have ever? Don't go. This is a ripoff though. Don't buy this one. This is Amazon trying to take advantage of me, and I almost know it is because this shows up nowhere on my manage list. Orange is bad. Don't go that one. Orange is bad. Yeah, that's Amazon trying to rip me off on that one. But yeah, Dark Bro, it's nuts. Can't buy something that's not for sale on Amazon merch search. Can't buy something that's not for sale on Amazon merch. Well, let's make it for sale, man. Let's make it for sale. Honestly, I asked 3 questions. Yeah, Chris, dude, you're not supposed to ask any questions to the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team. That's a bad boy. Michael Allen losing to Pika this week in fantasy football. Dang, man. That's the second person that mentioned it, too. Michael Allen got ripped. Burned $3 of my own money already. Oh, my gosh. 100,000,000 times more than Shibarium. Dark Bro, it is correct, dude. Noto says, I'm going to start OnlyFans. Y'all can pay me to bend over and touch my toes. All the proceeds go to burning coins and burning your retina. I do not suggest watching anything of the sort, no matter what angle the camera is held at. I do not recommend any of that. So, Notos. Advertise it all you want in here, man. If you got an OnlyFans, go hard on it, dude. Go hard. But I will not be watching that one. Oh, gosh. I want a hoodie with a small Shib logo located on the left side. Not some Shib logo that covers the whole darn front. What about... Let me see if I can pull it up real quick. Let me see. I don't even know if it'll pull up, because I don't know where it goes in rank. I don't know if I rank in search anywhere for this Shib stuff since I just loaded it yesterday. Yeah, something like that you might be saying. I burned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Shib last week. Sweaty Socks McFirsty. Thank you very much for the super chat. Sweaty Socks McFirsty says, Shitoshi. Sweaty Socks McFirsty. Unless somebody is impersonating Sweaty Socks McFirsty, I know who Sweaty Socks McFirsty now is. Thank you very much, Mr. Sweaty Socks McFirsty, and to Shitoshi. Oh my gosh, this guy. You know, he would have so much more respect from people if he just did simply answer questions. It's kind of crazy. Need a hoodie with the print backwards, so I know it's from Claybro's stream. Kai. This print is actually the correct way. It just looks backwards to you. It is printed correctly. Unfortunately, Amazon canceled me and is refunding my lost hoodies, as mentioned last Friday. My bro was a bit mad since he was looking forward to the bro embroidered hoodies. I told him to try again. There you go, man. Suzuki. It's all right. Even if you don't want to try again, dude, you tried the first time, and Amazon dropped the ball on that one. Can't find it. Is it because I live in Canada? You know, I don't know. Nader, are you looking for the Shiba Inu coin one, or are you looking for the bro one? Does Amazon deliver to Canada? I know they have .com, which covers the United States market. But then they also have, and I don't know if that's North American market, but it's definitely available in all throughout Europe, and it's available in the United Kingdom, and it's available in Japan as well. I was under the assumption that, yes, Canada was available. Type in Claybro merch and see if it shows up for you. If Claybro merch shows up for you, or if you click the link in the description, then yeah, that stuff should be available in Canada. Coming to the chat, reminding you, don't forget about the ads. I already forgot about the ads. 775 for you guys, so thank you very much. And I got to throw this on the screen again because I say, Suzuki's still missing hoodie. Thank you very much for the super chat. Shitoshi. Can go step on a Lego, man. Not a little round Lego. Not like one of those Lego boys' heads or something like that. One with a big old, just a big old Lego piece, man. Shitoshi. And he's not wearing shoes either. Suzuki's still missing hoodie. He's not even wearing shoes when he steps on it. Yes. Guys, I have no idea if I am lagging right now or not. Let me look at the stream analytics. It says that my stream is in excellent condition right now. So if I am lagging, it's probably YouTube or it's probably your internet. The stream connections says excellent right now, so I doubt that it's me. It's probably YouTube, and thank you very much for clicking skip on the second ad. Who wrote top 5 Roth positions overall in the Discord member chat right there? We have, oh, here they are. Coney, AMDY, QQQY, AMZY, and NVDY. Top 5 positions overall. Yield max all day long, ladies and gentlemen. And Frank, man, those are probably some massive dividend payers. Very nicely done on that. Amazon is so... dude, Amazon is pretty shady trying to undercut me with that orange bro logo there. I don't like that one. I don't like that orange bro logo. There are websites that sell Shib logo hoodies, but I don't care for them. Roulette wheel. Dude, honestly, we can make the hoodie whatever you want it to be, man. We can make the hoodie whatever you want it to be. It was a minute ago, Dark Bro. Me? Something I used to take Legos and put tacks through them. Oh my gosh. Throw them on my neighbor's yard. Dark Bro hated his neighbor. Goodness gracious. I get so mad last night carrying Christmas boxes down the stairs and I stepped on a Lego car and almost fell. Oh, snap, dude. JB almost died. Could you imagine if JB died carrying Christmas boxes down the stairs and slipped on a Lego car, rolled down the stairs? JB, dude, we're glad you're still with us, man. We're glad you're still with us. We're not glad that you tripped on a Lego car, but we're glad you're still with us. There's the ad. Forefathers' rights, man. Thank you very much for hopefully skipping the second one and not the first one. Ad just dropped in abruptly. That it did, Suzuki. That it did. Somebody told me to click the ad button, so I clicked the ad button. Clay being ad sly there. A good one. I like it, man. DD214. Hopefully you skipped the second one. Skip the second one ad after 6 seconds. Suzuki, I love it, man. I didn't get the ad. 775 Bree guy calls out for the ads, and he doesn't even get one. This dude, man. Oh, my gosh. I did hate her. She was evil. Dark Bro trying to take care of business. JB can't die after fantasy football super. No. Don't. No. You got to make it to the Super Bowl first, JB. Dark Bro's right. My son is the Lego king. Also, the king of parent punishment. Very nice, Suzuki. You know, I never really got into Legos growing up. Only thing keeping me here is the Final Fantasy trophy. And I'm telling you right now, dude, you are going to love the Final Fantasy trophy. If you got a fireplace, if you've got like a nice, I don't know, china cabinet or something, clear that bad boy off because you're going to need the entire space. But yeah, dude, if you got it, especially if you got something in your man cave, oh yeah. It takes up a lot of room. But yes, it is definitely going to be worth it. Been a while, hoping you're doing well. Jeff, doing very well, man. Hopefully you're doing well as well. I have YouTube Premium. I get no ads. Well, Gary, I like it that you have YouTube Premium because even if you get no ads, man, it's very cool how YouTube works it out. So whatever portion of YouTube videos I am during your month consumption, that's the portion of your YouTube Premium purchase price that YouTube splits with me. All right, so let's say that I was 100. You didn't watch a single other YouTube video other than me. You know, YouTube takes their 60-40 cut or whatever it is, and then they would split the rest with me. Clearly, if I'm 10% of your views or 10% of your watch time, then they're going to split the rest with... I'm going to get 10% of the remaining, and then the rest of the guys that you watch get the remaining. So it is very cool, man. It is very cool. My wife will love it. I'm sure she will, JB. You know why? Because she's going to know you're a winner. She's going to know you're a winner, dude. If you bring home like a 2-foot, it's bigger than 2 foot. You bring home like a 2.5, 3 foot tall trophy, dude. She's going to be like, oh yeah, JB is a winner. Nobody's going to be able to call you a loser if you have that trophy. Like, your neighbors are going to see that trophy. You know how when you drive by somebody's house and they got their, like, blinds open and they're watching TV at night and you can clearly see what they're watching on TV? It's going to be the same thing. If somebody drives by your house, it doesn't matter if it's day or night. They're going to be able to see that trophy sitting there on your mantle. and they're going to be like, that dude's a winner. That's how you're going to be able to see it from the road, and I don't care how far off the road your house sits. You're going to be able to see it. Anything can happen come playoffs. Well, can I still win? But I'm actually happy about the recent Luke activity. Still kind of new to crypto, but I'm braving for what's around the corner. J Electrics, man. Me too. So I'm very excited about what's around the corner. Whether it be increase or decrease in price, I am still excited about what's around the corner. Because when you see massive increases in volatility like you're seeing in Terra Luna Classic over the last 24 hours, when you get prices ripping up and down like this and $650 million in volume, it guarantees that the burns are going to be high. But it guarantees that people are looking at this. And the more people that look at it, the higher the volatility and the higher the price potential. So, yeah, dude, whether we sit on 10,000 points per coin for a couple days and then retest 12, I don't care what it takes. I am excited about what happens next in Terra Luna Classic. I'd like to know what's causing the Lunken UST to be so active today. Peter, I would like to know as well. So I've gone down the list, and I don't think it has anything to do with people expecting USTC to be repegged. I don't think that it has anything to do with Changpeng Zhao stepping down from Binance and some new guy stepping up as CEO. I don't think it has anything to do with like the fundamentals. I think we simply began to run. And then because it broke through resistance levels, people jumped in. And we're testing the 12.5, bouncing back down to 10. Of course, we'll be testing 12.5 once again very quickly. So I think that it's more of a technical move, but that's my personal opinion. That's just because I don't think there's anything out there that has been pinned down as guaranteed to be moving it. Posting the Discord socials when it's officially launched. Very nice, Dark Bro. To give those trophies to the show-ups. They give those trophies to the show-ups in the bowling alley. Not this trophy, man. Not this one. This one's like as big as I am. Okay, when you get the trophy and you realize it's like, this big. I am bigger than that, just to let you know. But it's like as big as I am. Also, why is Lunk referred to as Luna on some exchanges? Gary, some exchanges may not have ever changed it. So, Terra Luna Classic used to be Terra Luna. Okay? And when they issued Terra Luna 2.0, it just depends on how it was handled. So, some people still refer to it as Terra Luna, and they might refer to the new one as Terra Luna 2.0. Other people refer to Terra Luna as Terra Luna Classic, and then the other one is Terra Luna. So be careful with which one you're looking at. Terra Luna Classic is the one that's like 3 or 4 zeros right now, and a 1. Terra Luna 2.0, a $1.50. Where's Terra Luna 2.0? 75 cents. All right. Terra Luna it's 75 cents here. That's Terra Luna. And of course, you can call it Terra. You can call it Terra Luna. But it took that name and that symbol. And that's USTC. And then, of course, Terra Luna Classic is right here at the 3 zeros and a 1. All matter come playoffs, JB. Mo headed towards a 2-game losing streak. Uh-oh. Am I going to make the playoffs? Am I going to be able to win this trophy and just keep it? That'd be amazing. Libro, they call it Terra Classic, but use the Luna code. Yeah, Gary, I don't know why they would do that, man. I don't know why some exchanges do what they do. Under $1 on 2.0. Yeah, dude, Terra Luna was apparently 75 cents. I thought Terra Luna was like a $1.50, but that shows you guys how often I look at Terra Luna 2.0. MetaMask lists Terra Classic as Luna. They might just never have changed it. They may never have changed it. It's pretty average. What is average? I don't even know what's happening right now. It did not get weird. I promise. I'm not weird. It's not. I am weird, but I'm not saying anything weird right now. What platform can I pick up Lunk? What platform? Where do you live, Chris? Where do you live? I guess that's the first question there. If you want to get it on, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's on Crypto.com now. But if you want to get it on KuCoin, if you want to get it on Binance, if you want to get it on any of the international platforms, you can get Terra Luna Classic. But I'm pretty sure it's on Crypto.com if you want to get it. Okay, bets on who wins Fantasy Football Super Bowl. My guess is Pika. That'd be dead hilarious if Pika sent me a trophy and then I send the trophy back to Pika. Been holding Luna and Shib for a while too, trying to branch out to get some more gains, man. Kinda need it, so cheers on the upcoming bull market. J Electrics, dude, we're all going to be doing amazing during the next bull market, man. I am so looking forward to the next bull market. It's not even gonna be funny. I have no interest in 2.0. I have no interest in 2.0 either. I didn't even know what price Terra Luna 2.0 was trading at, and she has to no, man. I'll pay to ship it back. She ain't gonna do none of that stuff. If Michael wants to pay to ship it back, he can pay to ship it back. I'm in Maryland, Charm City, dodging bullets left and right. Well, I don't know what Charm City is, but dude, continue to dodge bullets, please. Continue to dodge bullets. If you get struck by a bullet, that's not going to be a good thing. So continue to dodge those like your life depends on it. Let's put it that way. So, yeah, I think you might be looking at Crypto.com to look at your Terra Luna Classic there. It might be on Kraken as well. Yeah, Terra Luna Classic might be on Kraken. So if you want to check out Kraken, if you want to check out Crypto.com. I do have a link for Crypto.com if you don't already use it. You can use that link down there. I think you get $25 right now. I don't have a link for Kraken. I asked Kraken for a link like 2 years ago, and they wouldn't give me one, so they must not like me. 6 points between me and Bronson. He has Fields. I have Moore tonight. Nail biter. I don't know who Fields or Moore are, but are you down 6 points or are you up 6 points? I feel like 6 point spread is easily doable between two guys, but if you're winning right now, you're probably in a better position. She already paid to ship it. Yeah, right, guys. She sent some major super chats, but dude, if I have to send it back to her, that's gonna be hilarious. Eagles, go Dallas. Let's get it. Charm City is Baltimore. It is on Kraken. All right, so if you guys want to check it out on Kraken, it is on Kraken. If you want to check it out on Crypto.com, you got a link for it in the description. Charm City, Baltimore, Maryland. Just be safe, dude. Be safe. I think like any big city is pretty sketchy, so don't go out in any big city and dodge bullets by yourself. Always go out in a big city with a friend and dodge bullets together. You are going to be much safer in a situation like that. Everybody in the chat right now. Oh, look at those over there. Did Lunk UST end already? No, so I don't think that the FOMO necessarily ended already. No matter what crypto you're looking at, no matter what stock you're looking at, you can't just immediately break resistance levels. Traders, they look at those and they say, okay, I'm going to take a little profit. I don't have to go out and make 6,000% gains. I made a 40% gain. That is wild. So they take that 40% gain and they book it, and then it bounces back. And when it tests those support levels, they get back in. And then, of course, when it runs up, they take their profit and so on. So I don't think that the FOMO is necessarily over yet. But, hey, if we get rejected off 12.5 in Terra Luna Classic, and we're sitting here at this 10, and all of a sudden we break back down through the 10,000 point per coin level, yeah, the excitement may actually have faded. But looking at this is a rip up, a test of 10,000 points per coin, a break, and an immediate rip up to the next level. Test of 12,500 points per coin. Comes back down a little bit. And then what we could see is when we break 12.5, a rip right up to, you got to go to the annual graph here, a rip right up to this area. This is the 12.5 area that we're talking about here. This is where it tested on that daily chart. We're already pulling back. But testing this 12.5, a rip up, testing 16. So, dude, if we're looking to rip up and test 16 here, it could go very, very quickly. Just as fast as we ripped through this resistance. Boom, testing the first level. Boom, testing the second level. You got to go up to the annual, but boom, testing that next level. It's 16. So it all depends on what we end up doing at these prices and whether or not Lunk sits steady at 10,000 for a while and excitement sort of fades, or Terra Luna Classic actually is able to break back up through and we're testing 16. Let's see. Let's go crypto. Let's go forefathers or bull back. I look Binance money flow big and medium take profit now. So yeah, I don't think that the FOMO ended, but the volume on Binance is incredibly high right now. $300 million plus being traded. And you always have those people taking profits at levels of resistance. That's why they exist. Levels of resistance are predictable profit-taking levels, and that's what we're seeing in Terra Luna Classic right now. All we have to do is see these people hold through 12,500, and we should be testing 16 pretty quick. Most of the people who live in Baltimore. Gosh, dude, the nickname of Baltimore is Bodymore, Merlin. Guys, if you live in Baltimore, man, be careful. Stop hurting other people. Okay? Just stop hurting other people. Maybe not during the bull market, but do you think it's possible? My level on Terra Luna Classic is much, much closer to a penny. Okay? Why do I have a penny out there? A penny takes you back up to the all-time high market cap. Roughly $50 to $60 billion. Now that's penny. If you're looking at $6 trillion, I don't think that's going to happen. So Terra Luna Classic, to reach $1 is going to need to see just mad burns. Mad burns. You are talking burning trillions of coins to see Terra Luna Classic hit that level. We're obviously not there. One day we could be there. But I would set your sights on a much more achievable market cap than something like, $1 trillion market cap. And look at the all-time highs. The all-time highs, I believe, were around 40 billion. So, you're looking close to a penny when you would get to the all-time high market cap. That's just my opinion, though. I don't think $1 is achievable with a $6 trillion valuation. I think it's got to be lower than that. If we don't burn. If we burn, man, anything is possible. I think it's very possible. Yeah, so forefathers, man. I'm not going to go down that route without the burns. $6 trillion is too much for me. But if you burn, absolutely, dude. Absolutely. Whether to stake Lunk or keep it liquid and trade of a big... That's up to you, Brian. That's up to you. So if your only goal is to hold Terra Luna Classic for 5-10 years and see where it's at, see what it's doing, staking almost guarantees that you're going to be holding long term. You basically kill your liquidity and your ability to sell. So you force yourself to hold. If you're more of a trader and you want to take advantage, you see a 200% increase, you want to take that profit, and then all of a sudden get back in if it dips down, well, you're going to be much better off if you're liquid and not staking. You're not going to see near the rewards that you can. You're not going to see near the rewards staking that you can see taking profits on capital gains. So if it's about seeing some short-term gains, dude, definitely I wouldn't mess around too much with staking. If you want to be committed to, a decade down the road, sure, man. I think you'd force yourself at that point by staking. USTC to 10 cents. Laranza. USTC. Listen, if you would have asked me that 2 days ago, I would have said no. Okay, I'm gonna just be honest with you. I would have said no. USTC is not gonna hit 10 cents. It's trading at a penny right now. We're not gonna see 1,000% gain in USTC. But this is insane, man. This is insane. In a matter of minutes here, we went from 7.5 cents back down to 5 cents. What does that tell me? It tells me that in a matter of minutes, we could be back up to 7.5 cents. And then in a matter of minutes from there, yes, we could be testing 10 cents. So if you're asking if it's a possibility, absolutely, dude. I would have told you no 2 days ago, but after seeing this stuff in here and this wild price action and $1.5 billion being traded, yeah, dude, we could see some strong gains that don't make sense. Penny is still pretty good for me, honestly. I'll even take 10 cents with what I have. I'm not greedy. J Electrics, man, I like it. Gain fire superiority, a maneuver, close with, and destroy. Who shot at you first? If you can, sure, man. If somebody listen, I don't even know if YouTube's going to allow me to say that, so I'm not gonna say it. But dude, if somebody's firing at you, don't say, hey, do you want to be friends? Nope. Don't say, hey, do you want to be friends in a situation like that? You guys know what I'm saying? Hopefully YouTube doesn't. I was born in Baltimore way back in 1969, so before electricity. St. Mary, Maryland, Britton Bay were my childhood stomping grounds. Parts of Maryland are stunning and worth seeing. Markel, I'm sure they are, man. I'm sure they are. Records, just for seeding, long as you're in the running, any given Sunday. I know we're not talking about me, right? How can I get a trophy? Donald Dump Trump 2024. How can you get a Bro Fantasy Football League trophy? Well, join the Bro Fantasy Football League next year. That's how you can get one. I guess you could win the election in 2024 if you won a trophy. I would move back to Baltimore in a heartbeat. Well, there you go, man. I guess it's home sweet home, right? We're Dork Lord and win $1. I have no idea where Dork Lord is. Let's check out where Dork Lord is. Dorkle is the name of that one, right? I think it's this one. BNB. Dorkle is down 1% on the week. It is down 14% on the day it was down 1%, down 14% on the week. It is had some pretty volatile action. Basically break even on the month, and on the year it is still down 92%. It is sitting at 4 zeros and a 1 at the moment. A $10,000 market cap with only $13 being traded over the last 24 hours. So Dorkle not doing too much today. Dark Bro, win $1, hopefully very, very, very soon. Because if Dorkle goes to $1, man, somebody's going to be stinking rich, and that's what I want to see. I know I'm missing so much. Hey guys, not financial advice, Clay, but running 390 calls that expire on the 29th. Bronson, very nice, man. 390 calls might not be a bad idea, but I'm telling you right now, dude, we haven't gotten the rejection that I thought we would get off of this resistance level. It truly does seem, like I'm with you, man. It truly does seem, I moved that from 400. That was supposed to be up here. It truly does seem as though it wants to break through this level of resistance right here at 390. And if it does, yeah, dude, you're well on your way to 400. And those 390 calls would be absolutely juicy on the QQQ. One bad move, though, and you can see a very quick rejection off this resistance level that's forming here, and you could be coming back down pretty quick. This was a very, very fast rise. I didn't expect it to sustain as long. I expected a little bit more of a curve, but, dude, the strength is full force with this one. And if it stays that way, yeah, you're going to be seeing some solid gains, and those 390 calls are going to be worth a lot of money. It's almost a week since Changpeng Zhao's resignation. Has the new CEO, Richard Tang, said anything about the future direction of Binance or Lunk Burns? I don't know. I haven't been following him that closely, so I don't know if he said anything about Binance Burns. I have been following Terra Luna Classic more closely, and I haven't seen anybody or anything that he has said about Terra Luna Classic. So I have no idea if he plans on continuing to burn Lunk or if he wants to cover some of the $4 billion settlement funds, and he's not going to be just burning money, and he wants to save the tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars that would go to burning Terra Luna Classic in the next couple of days here at the beginning of December. might be something that he's a little bit more conservative on. I do not know. He is not. I have not seen anything that he's directly stated. LED loves on a deep level. Touches deep in the heart and soul. LED loves on a deep level. Touches deep in the heart and soul. It's almost poetic. It is poetic in a physical yet metaphorical way. I see QQQ breaking 400. Oh, Bronson, it will break 4. I just don't know if it breaks it by the end of the week. Dude, if it breaks it by the end of the week, you're gonna be ripping, dude. But I mean, it's going to break 400. There's no doubt about that. I just don't know when. Maryland is for blue crabs. Well, shoot, dude. Blue crabs taste just as good as the boiled red crabs, don't they? Unless you're eating them raw. Don't eat them raw, man. Also do summer road trips to Maine for lobster. Heck yeah, Gary. Nothing like... What the... Patushent? Patushent River Oysters? I know I hacked that name up there. Patushent River Oysters? Yeah, dude, I have no idea what that name's called. Gary, that's awesome. Live in Orlando, not blue crab. Florida blue crab doesn't compare. You mean the glow-in-the-dark oysters? That's the one. No, Clay. No. Next level. Yeah, dude, that's like a different language, man. How the heck am I supposed to say that? Patuxent? Patuxent? I don't know. Called it CZ's head will be next by the government to months, and you were right. Yeah, dude, I think that they're going to go after all of these big guys. Patuxent. Oh, the Patuxent, right? Shoot, if I got it right on the second try. I'm better than I thought, man. The Patuxent River is looking good for oysters. I don't know if you guys are messing with me or not, but yeah. Yes, Clay. Yes. Patuxent. There we go. Thank you very much, Gary, for the phonetic spelling of Patuxent. Appreciate you, dude. And it is somehow 1 o'clock already. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Dead serious. If you guys have any like Shiba Inu coin or Terra Luna Classic or whatever, I don't know about Terra Luna Classic since it was theoretically it is a decentralized coin now. I could probably do something with that. If you guys got any designs or anything like that you absolutely want to see and you would guaranteed, want to buy, let me know, man. I can get those designs up on Amazon merch. But thank you to everybody who has gone out and searched for bro merch. My gosh, there it is. Everybody who's gone out and searched for bro merch on Amazon. Use the link in the description below as well, guys. Just check out these designs. Let me know what you think of them. It is 1 o'clock, so we're going to be heading out for now. We will be back this afternoon. We're going to have some more fun in the afternoon live stream. Thank you guys very much for keeping this live stream fast, awesome, and amazing. Let's do these shout-outs. We'll be back a little bit later. Roulette wheel. Enjoy your afternoon, man. Dark bro. Later, broski. Later, bro. We got Gary. See you later, man. Mark L. Next level. Gary. Noodle Toes. What's going on, Noodle Toes? Pudgy saying, peace out of the diamond-handed king. I know, bro song. What was the I know who I want to become a bro. I know who I want to become a bro. See you later, bro. I almost said see you later, bro. I'll see you later, Pudgy. Next level carry, Pudgy. We got 775 Bree Guy SD. Later to you, Mark L. See you later. Ta-ta to you, Kai. J-Bones, baby. J-Bones comes in for the later, man. First time I was able to say J-Bones is when I'm saying bye to J-Bones. See you later, Gorilla. Next level, Geoped, DD214, Michael Allen. See you later, Mike. DD214, Dark Bro, J Electrics, Make, and 775 Bree Guy. You guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.